Hi everyone, this is Ed and you are watching Random E. So today I'm currently in Chunghwa Telecom. I just got my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I cannot wait to unbox this and share it to you guys. So yeah, that's it. See you guys later.
Welcome back to my channel. So finally, I got my iPhone 12 Pro Max from Chunghwa Telecom. So today I will unbox iPhone 12 Pro Max and maybe I'll quickly run you through the specs for this phone. So here it goes. Let's see what's inside this box. Actually, I have the XSMAX box, and as you can see, iPhone 12 Pro Max box is just half the size of the XSMAX box. So it has the Apple logo at the top and bottom, and then it has the iPhone text on the sides and the specs at the back. So yeah, there's a pull tab. We can easily open. So let's quickly unbox this iPhone 12 Pro Max. So of course we have the phone, and there's another pull tab so that we can easily pull out the phone. And it has a white screen protector, which is normally I think transparent in the previous model. And then we have the charging cable, and as you all know, we don't have the charging brick anymore. That's why they made the box so thin. And the paper works. So let's check. Yeah, there's a pin for the SIM card tray. So there is some manual in Chinese and English. And we also have the sticker, Apple logo sticker, which is white. So that's it for the paperworks. Let's remove this protector. So as you can see, the side is shiny and glossy. So for the specs, we have 6.7-inch display, and then we also have 5G network. We have ultra-wide, wide, and telephoto lens, which also have 5 times optical zoom. And we have the LiDAR scanner here. This is water resistant up to 6 meter. And it has MagSafe compatibility. And they didn't mention about the battery. When I checked from the internet, it says around 3,687 milliamperes, and it has 6 gig of RAM. So it's better for multitasking because sometimes the app closes when I open multiple apps. So physically, it's very different. Although the iPhone 12 Pro Max has a very familiar form factor, very reminiscent of iPhone 4 and 5 because of the cornered edges. So I'm just going to turn it on, and there's the Apple logo. So right now, I'm going to show you how to set up a new iPhone. I'm planning to restore directly from my XS Max going to iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's get started. So I'm going to select transfer directly from iPhone. So make sure that Bluetooth is turned on also from your old phone. So there is an instruction. So set up a new iPhone. So I continue. This is my XSMAX, and then
transfer from phone. So let's wait a few minutes. So it says it's currently loading, so let's wait a few minutes. So agree. Setting up my Apple ID. Agree. Agree. Continue. Disable. Share for now. So let's wait a while for the transfer. So right now it says finish on new iPhone. So we will see the status here on my old phone if it's done, and then in the 12 Pro Max it says preparing to transfer. So let's wait. Right now it's loading. It says transferring data. It's estimating the time remaining. So it says the time remaining is about an hour. So let's wait, and I'll get back to you when it's done. So welcome back, and it says the transfer is complete in my XSMAX. So right now it's loading in my 12 Pro Max. So let's wait for it to finish. So it has completely loaded. So it says restore completed in my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's just click continue. Agree. I'll set it up later. So welcome to iPhone. So that's it. It looks exactly the same as my old phone. So this is the XSMAX. So that's it. My old phone looks exactly the same as my new phone. So that's how you restore from old to new phone. So right now I'm going to show you how to set up the eSIM for iPhone. So I currently have the QR code. So what you only need is to get the QR code from the telecom, and then I just folded the paper because the QR code and some personal information is at the bottom of this page. So yeah, you only need the QR code and then the iPhone. So I'll try to scan it. Actually, you only have one attempt. So if ever you erased your eSIM accidentally, you would need to pay, I think, around 300 NT to request a new one. So be careful not to erase the eSIM accidentally. So I'll try to set up the eSIM right now. So after I scan the QR code, this is what the next screen is going to show. So click continue, and then the telecom also will provide you a password. So the confirmation code will be your password. So click add cellular plan. So this is how it will look like if you set up the eSIM, and if you put the other SIM card to the SIM card tray. So there will be 2 SIM coverage in your iPhone. So that's it. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks.